Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Mailchimp step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the App Exchange by clicking on the App Launcher icon. In the App Exchange search bar, type Mailchimp and press Enter. Locate the Mailchimp integration app and click on it. Click the Get It Now button to begin the installation process. Choose whether to install the app in production or sandbox and click Install. Follow the prompts and accept any necessary terms and conditions. Once the installation is complete, return to Salesforce. Go to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon. In the Quick Find box, type Mailchimp and select the Mailchimp settings. Click on the Connect to Mailchimp button. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and log in. Authorize Salesforce to access your Mailchimp account. After successful authorization, you'll be redirected back to Salesforce. Review the connection details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Next, configure your Mailchimp settings within the Salesforce app. Select the Mailchimp audiences you want to sync with Salesforce. Set up your mapping for Salesforce fields and Mailchimp tags. Click the Save button to apply your settings. Test the integration by sending a sample contact from Salesforce to Mailchimp. Check your Mailchimp account to confirm the contact has been added. Adjust your settings as necessary based on your testing results. You have now successfully connected Salesforce to Mailchimp. Explore additional features and customization options to enhance your integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.